YouTube affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online. By leveraging the huge audience of the YouTube viewers, you can promote products and services in exchange for commissions. Not only is it an easy way to get started making money online, but it's also one of the most popular ways to do so due to its low barrier of entry and wide range of potential markets. With the right strategy, YouTube affiliate marketing can be an incredibly lucrative business model. So hit the bell icon, join us as we explore the world of the YouTube affiliate marketing. Let's jump in. Why YouTube affiliate marketing? YouTube affiliate marketing offers one of the most attractive and financially rewarding forms of affiliate marketing available today. YouTube's massive user base provides access to a practically limitless potential customer base, meaning that any savvy affiliate marketer can potentially get more views and generate more revenue than other popular programs. As an added bonus, YouTube also allows for more creative freedom of expression, making it a great platform to help promote your affiliate products and services. Unlike other more traditional forms of affiliate marketing, YouTube affiliate marketing doesn't require large upfront investments in order to affiliate to start earning money. All an affiliate needs is an active YouTube channel with quality content that can be marketed to viewers in order to generate affiliate income. Additionally, YouTube affiliate marketing also allows affiliates to target specific audiences better than other programs, which can help maximize conversions and sales. YouTube allows you to create videos that promote products or services and earn commissions for each sale. You can also use YouTube to increase brand awareness, drive more traffic to your website, or build relationships with potential customers. The key benefits of the YouTube affiliate marketing include: 1. Reach a wider audience. YouTube is an incredibly popular platform with over 1 billion users worldwide. This allows you to reach a massive audience and potentially drive more sales for your affiliate products. 2. Boost brand awareness. Videos on YouTube can help boost exposure of your brand and product among viewers who are interested in what you have to offer. 3. Increase traffic. When viewers watch your videos, they are likely to click through your affiliate links and purchase products or services. This can help drive more traffic to your website, increasing the potential for higher sales. 4. Build relationships. YouTube is a great platform for building relationships with potential customers. You can engage with viewers through comments and respond to their queries. This helps build trust and loyalty, which may lead to more sales in the future. That's it. YouTube affiliate marketing is a great way to make money while you have fun. Ready to start your YouTube affiliate marketing journey? Subscribe to our channel for helpful tips and tricks. Comment with questions or feedback on our videos. Share this information with other aspiring entrepreneurs. We're here to help you make money through affiliate marketing on the YouTube. Good luck!